Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to lubricate the sliding doors on Honda Odyssey. That will be the generation from 2005 all the way until 2010 guys. Okay, as you can see, those do not open very good. They sound terrible. I mean, you can hear a lot of noise coming out of it. Okay, and they will even get stuck sometimes. So definitely we need to lubricate those. Stay with us to see how we do that now. So it's important guys, in hot or cold weather the seal will stick really bad sometimes, and it's important to use white lithium grease, okay, and spray a little bit on a towel, okay. Don't spray directly on the seal because you don't want to ruin your interior, okay. And you're going to apply on the seals, okay, white lithium grease, okay. And when we do that, okay, we need to do to this part here as well. You can see on the door, it helps a lot, because otherwise when it sticks the door will not open as easy. Okay, and we need to probably do a little bit on this seal here as well. Okay, now on the bottom we have another track. Okay, right here, let me turn the light on. That we'll need to lubricate. Okay, there is a cable and a roller that goes there. So we're going to apply a little bit of grease there. Okay, wipe it and then apply a little bit more to make sure that there is no sand or anything like that. Okay. Okay, next it's right here. On top, we need to apply there as well. Okay, that's the canal that it's sliding. So we need to make sure that we get this one as well. And I don't think this one has been greased for a long time. Okay, also on those, okay, right here, we're going to grease this and the one on the bottom. Okay, there is one more on the bottom there. So we'll apply some to it as well, because it goes in these glides right here. Okay. A little bit now on this rail. Okay, you can see there is one row, one bow right there. Almost impossible to show you guys to get the camera in. Okay, and always need to wipe to make sure you don't have any sand, dirt or things like that. Okay, now we are going to close it. Okay, and right here now, this rail, okay, we need to clean it and apply grease inside of it as well. Okay, you can see right there. If you have some leaking out, you can always wipe it. Also, we will apply some right there on the other rail, that's extension from the one outside. Okay, and again, always make sure that you don't have any scent in the grease. Okay, let it run a few times, wipe the extra grease off, and you can see it closes now. It didn't used to. It used to get stuck at the end every single time, and it will not go on its own. You always have to pull it really hard. Okay, perfect. So that's how you guys lubricate the doors on those. You have to do it periodically guys, so make sure that everything is running right. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.